Everybody hurts sometimes.
Do I have pepperoni in my tea?
No.
Not me again. Come on.
So,
Why you gotta do this?
how are we going to attack this, Bonnie? Where do we start with?
I'd say we start with the boxes. We have our beer.
It's gonna take up.
Start
There are
with the
lots
beer.
of boxes.
We're gonna do the other 20.
If we drink all 12 beers first, that's 12 less things we have to move.
I mean, I've got my awesome rainbow shorts on.
Oh my god.
Yes,
I love it.
I know. I'm ready.
They're even gayer than Bruno.
Probably not. Oh, maybe they are.
My
Just
two
Bruno's,
favorite
not really
things.
gay, it's just-
Pizza Hut and Elizabeth Taylor.
Those
That's
really are
awesome.
gay. Those are,
Place.
by nature, gay shorts.
Gay shorts.
Bruno is just pretending gay.
I think they actually are guys' swimming shorts, not to draw a lot of attention to my shorts.
From 1970 San Francisco.
I love these. They're my exercise shorts. I own one pair of shorts. This is it.
Have you been exercising? You look
David.
skinnier.
I'm not.
You
Stop
do.
it. Stop all of that.
You look nice.
Quit it.
Look at that.
Pretentious for a
Quit.
There you go.
There it is.